Still wasting money on oily, overpriced cooking? Today I'm revealing the top 7 best cheap air fryers that save cash and calories. Welcome back to my channel. Stay till the end for real value, smart picks, and honest tips. Grab the best deals anytime through the links in the description. At number 7 is Dash Compact Air Fryer. What if I told you most budget air fryers fail not on taste, but on trust? That's why the Dash Compact Air Fryer earned its spot in our affordable air fryer lineup. People worry about soggy food, unsafe handles, or complicated controls, and this unit quietly fixes those fears. Using Air Crisp technology, it delivers golden crunch with far less oil, and after hands-on testing in real kitchens, it feels reassuringly safe and simple. The cool touch handle and auto shutoff bring peace of mind, especially compared to larger low-cost models that feel overwhelming. Yes, the smaller basket limits family-sized meals, but for singles or couples, that trade-off feels smart. It heats evenly, cleans fast, and fits anywhere, something bulkier competitors can't promise. We only stand behind gear that proves itself through everyday use, and this one does. If you want compact confidence and reliable results, this is a calm, confident buy. Just skip it if you cook big portions daily. On number 6 is Chefman Compact Air Fryer. What if one budget air fryer could handle family portions without hijacking your counter? That's exactly why the Chefman Compact Air Fryer stands out in our affordable air fryer lineup. Many buyers fear weak heat, confusing controls, or soggy results, but this one flips the script fast. The digital screen feels intuitive, the presets save time, and that high heat finish at 450 degrees Fahrenheit brings real crunch when it matters most. Compared to smaller models in this list, it offers more room and confidence, though it's slightly louder and less minimal. Still, during everyday testing, it felt reliable, safe, and surprisingly powerful. The shake reminder solves uneven cooking anxiety, and cleanup is refreshingly simple. We only back products that earn trust through daily use, and this one does. If you cook for 3 to 5 people and want smart value with muscle, this is a solid pick. Solo users may prefer something smaller and quieter. At number 5 is PowerXL Classic Air Fryer. What if crispy, family-sized meals didn't require a premium price or complicated tech? That question led me straight to the PowerXL Classic Air Fryer, a strong contender in our affordable air fryer lineup. Many shoppers fear weak performance or uneven cooking in larger baskets, but this one delivers steady heat and confidence. During real-world testing, the extra hot airflow produced crunchy fries and juicy chicken with noticeably less oil, bringing relief to health-conscious cooks. Compared to smaller compact models in this list, it clearly wins on capacity, though it lacks the sleek digital flair some users love. Still, the simple controls feel dependable and safe, especially for beginners. We only stand behind tools that prove their value through everyday use, and this one holds its ground. If you cook for a family and want reliable results without overthinking settings, this is a smart, calming choice. Tech lovers wanting touchscreens may want to keep watching. At number 4 is Crux 3.7 Quarts Manual Air Fryer. What if the simplest air fryer was actually the smartest choice? That's the quiet strength of the Crux 3.7 Quarts Manual Air Fryer, and why it earned attention in our affordable air fryer lineup. Many buyers fear digital overload, uneven heat, or greasy results, and this model answers with calm confidence. During real kitchen testing, the circular heat system cooked fast, evenly, and without the oily smell, instant relief. Compared to larger basket models in this list, it sacrifices volume but wins on control and consistency. The touchscreen feels intuitive, cleanup is effortless, and safety features bring peace of mind. We only stand behind tools that prove themselves through everyday cooking, and this one feels reliable. It's not for big families or gadget lovers, but for 3 to 4 people wanting healthier meals without stress, it's a smart, reassuring buy. Would you choose simplicity over size? On number 3 is Bella 6 Quarts Slim Air Fryer. What if a family-size air fryer could disappear into your kitchen instead of taking it over? That's the clever promise behind the Bella 6 Quarts Slim Air Fryer, and it earns attention in our affordable air fryer lineup fast. Many buyers struggle with bulky machines and messy cleanup, and this design instantly feels like relief. During everyday testing, the slim body saved space while the wide basket handled big batches with confidence. Compared to chunkier models on this list, it cooks just as evenly but feels calmer and more refined. The ceramic non-stick coating brings peace of mind for health-focused homes, though the digital controls may feel basic to tech lovers. Still, results are crispy, quick, and consistent. We only stand behind products that prove their value in real kitchens, and this one does. If you want family portions without countertop chaos, this is a smart, stylish buy. Solo users may prefer something smaller and simpler. At number 2 is Charmi 5 Quarts Air Fryer. What if your air fryer actually made your kitchen look better instead of cluttered? That's the unexpected charm of the Charmi 5 Quarts Air Fryer, and it earns a spot in our affordable air fryer lineup for more than just looks. Many shoppers worry budget models feel cheap or cook unevenly, but this one surprised me during real kitchen testing. The rapid air circulation delivers crispy results with very little oil, bringing instant relief to health-focused cooks. Compared to bulkier options on this list, it saves space while still feeding a small family, though it's not built for massive batches. The controls feel simple and calming, cleanup is effortless, and daily use feels safe and stress-free. We only stand behind appliances that prove themselves beyond the spec sheet, and this one does. If you want reliable performance with style and peace of mind, it's a smart, gift-worthy buy. Power users needing extra capacity may want to keep watching. Now moving to the last one is COSORI Truffle Gray Air Fryer. What if a budget-friendly air fryer could think for you? That's the bold promise behind the COSORI Truffle Gray Air Fryer, and it instantly separates itself in our affordable air fryer lineup. Many buyers fear uneven cooking, constant checking, or bland results, but this one brings relief fast. During real kitchen testing, the smart reminders and even heating delivered consistent crunch with almost no oil, which felt like peace of mind. Compared to simpler models on this list, it adds smarter control and better balance, though it's slightly more advanced than manual lovers prefer. The design feels modern, cleanup is effortless, and cooking stays stress-free even on busy nights. We only stand behind products that prove their value through daily use, and this one earned that trust. If you want healthier meals, smart guidance, and reliable results without overspending, this is a confident, future-ready choice. If you dislike app features, a simpler option may suit you better. The COSORI Truffle Gray Air Fryer is the smart choice for anyone looking for value without paying premium prices. It solves common cooking problems like uneven results, constant checking, and bland meals, all while staying budget-friendly. With features like smart reminders, even heat distribution, fast cooking, and easy cleanup, it makes daily cooking effortless. Outperforming simpler models yet remaining user-friendly, it's practical, efficient, and reliable, perfect for anyone who wants stress-free, delicious meals every day. So guys, this was the video about the best cases 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.